how to enable team create on Roblox in 2024. So what we want to do is just load up the Roblox Studio app. Here we're going to click on my games and load up your game in which we want to enable team create. So from here, what we have to do once we have it open is click on view, and you should be able to see team create right here. Just click on it, and this is going to add team create to our Roblox game. Now if we want to add specific people, we're gonna click on the profile icon here next to, or the person icon with the plus next to our profile icon, like so, and we can add specific users or people here if we search for them. So for example, if I do this and I select the person, we can add the specific people as long as they have verified their age. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.